Hello, which condition causes grandparents to appear short and ever complain of back pain? So that condition is called osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is also known as silent disease. So osteoporosis is a condition in which bones become weak and brittle. So osteoporosis is also categorized by low bone mass and also deterioration in bone tissue, thus leading to fragility and high risk of fractures. So what do you think causes osteoporosis? So the first thing which we can talk about is age. Like bone density naturally declines with age, like especially in women, yeah? Like after menopause. Yeah? So those hormonal changes that happen, they can lead to osteoporosis. So the second thing we can talk about is hormonal factors. So like low estrogen levels in women and low testosterone level in men also contributes to that bone loss. So the third thing we can talk about is genetics. Like if you have a family history of osteoporosis, you're at a risk of getting it. So we can also talk about lifestyle factors like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and also inadequate calcium and vitamin D intake, like also weakens our bones. Yeah? So we can also talk about certain medications like corticosteroids. Yeah? So that one also increases bone loss. So what are the risk factors? What really exposes you to osteoporosis? So the first one is being a woman. Like women develop osteoporosis more compared to men. Yeah. So the second one is early menopause. The third one is smoking and excessive alcohol use. So the first one you can talk about like eating disorders. Yeah. So we can also talk about older age. Like it usually affects those people in that older age. So what are the symptoms that someone has osteoporosis? So the first one which we can talk about is loss of height, like which was in your question. Yeah? So loss of height is a major symptom of osteoporosis. We can also talk about back pain. Yeah, back pain is also a symptom of osteoporosis. It's one of the major symptoms of osteoporosis. We can also talk about stooped posture. That's also a symptom of osteoporosis. So we can also talk about bone fractures. Yeah, like those people usually get bone fractures. Like if someone carries something like a jerry can, like gets a fracture from there, just someone can carry something and gets a fracture. So that's also a symptom of osteoporosis. So you can also talk about changes in your natural posture. Yeah, if you have changes in your natural posture, like that's also a symptom of osteoporosis. So how can we prevent osteoporosis? I know you're asking yourself that question. How can we really prevent osteoporosis? Because we have seen it's very dangerous. So the first thing which you can do is eating a healthy diet, like consume a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D.